Hello, this is AliShanMao, and while Arish is not here for a while, I'm gonna show you his newest toys and describe their features very quick. And when he comes back, we will be playing with these together and we'll be posting a video of these things in action. But for now, here it is, the Construction Force new Grappler with 14 functions. Very interesting and really working toy. It does not come with this dumper truck. It comes with this grappler crane and its controls. If you look at the controls, they are very simple to operate. This is your crane, each track control, so you can move the crane around. Then you have the start stop, you have the arm up and down, you have the rotation or the yaw of the whole section of the crane, you have the horn, lights turn on and off, or you can simply mute all the sounds if you don't like them. It has very authentic sounds. So let's go ahead and start it so you can see and hear the sounds. And of course, you can move the whole section around. Everything has its authentic sounds. You can also open and close the grapple. You can also open and close the grapple. And of course, you can also operate the arm to go up and down. So let us pick something up and fill the dumper truck. We need a little getting used to. We got the orange. And drop it. Yeah, right? Then we put this block, okay? We need to go back a little first. Okay. Turn off the light, okay. And put it inside the truck. Open. This one. Yay! Now your truck can go, right? Right? How to press horn? This one horn. Nice. See? It's going to pick up, right? Uh-oh, truck is very close. Wait, no problem. Crane can do. No problem. Ready? Yay, put it here. Go forward. Like this, then press, catch it, and go up. Nice. Okay, crane is a little tired. How to turn off? The red button. Nice. Okay, this is really a very nice and neat toy. I am actually loving it, and playing with this is a lot of fun. But when I taught Arish to use it, he actually did a good job using it, but then he says he doesn't like it because he actually wanted a crane, not a grappler. Sad father, I carried this toy all the way from Guangzhou for him, including the big plane. So what we did, we went ahead and bought Arish a crane. Now that Arish is back, we are going to play with the crane and show its features.